Hey, my good people. So, I got another new from my favorite store, Dollar Tree. This is a USB humidifier. So, let me tell you, this humidifier can be used in your car, in your office, in your prayer room, anywhere you need a moment to decompress and you need a humidifier. It's a USB and it's small, as you can see. Now, I've done my research, guys. I have seen these at Target, Walmart. Um, I've seen it online at a couple places. The cheapest I've seen it for is maybe $4.50, and to get this for $1.25 at our favorite store, winning. Do you hear me? So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you how it works. And for $1.25, guys, we cannot go wrong. When I say Dollar Tree is bringing it to us, they bringing us the good for 2025. So jump on, jump aboard. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that I can continue bringing you content. Remember, I'll try it before you buy it. So let's get into it so I can try it. So this is exactly what it looks like. And then you have your USB cord. So you're supposed to launch this into the water, and it's supposed to sit there for 30 minutes, okay? Let's do it. After having it in there for a full minute, then you connect your USB, okay? So we're giving it a minute, and then we're going to connect it. But as I said, guys, Dollar Tree they has been bringing us the fire. I know, we all miss it being $1. But I'm going to tell y'all, for that little extra quarter to get an incentive like this, to me, it's worth it. But I'm going to let you guys be the judge of it. Again, so many things that you can do with this little thing to decompress, to regroup. You having breathing issues, you just want to decompress, and I know you can put a drop of essential oils in here. So my whole thought process, when you're taking that long ride to work, or you on your way from home and you in the traffic and you need to decompress, put a little drop of essential oil in here. Remember, it has to be water. Let this submerge. Put your little essential oil, plug it up, and just breathe. Inhale, exhale, because what do we not need these days? It's so much going on in the world, guys. We need to decompress. Breathing is one of the best exercises just to help us to just release and relate. And I believe this will do it. So it's been a full minute. So guys, this is after this USB humidifier has been submerged in water for a good 1 minute. You plug it up to your USB port, and this is what you get. Y'all, this is real time, okay? $1.25. And if you can feel, I wish you can feel it. Oh, this is so worth it. I'll pay more than $1.25 to be able to have this little gadget. Again, it's just submerged in water. This is my good $1.25 cup from Dollar Tree. But baby, I can't wait to put this in my car. Some of them on them long road trips in traffic. Yes. $1.25. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you would do with this. Tell me where you would put this at. Because to me, we're winning. This is a win-win situation. $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Again, I've done my research. I've seen them for way more than $1.25. Your girl gonna keep bringing you the good goods as long as you guys keep supporting and keep watching. I appreciate you guys, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this moment of rejuvenating and refreshing my lung palates, okay? Have a good one, my good people. When I say I'm fiberglass, I can't even get the word out because I cannot believe this. Little powerful thing for $1.25. It's got a cool breeze. You can feel the mist. It's not watery. It's not messy. My God, $1.25. I know y'all see my excitement. You got to. You got to. Because I have raised the level with Dollar Tree. Don't forget, y'all. Why don't y'all tag them? Tag them because I'm always promoting and representing all of their great goodness. Y'all got to tag them. Y'all got to bring them to the page. I'm not sponsored, but hey, I don't mind.